Classic Air Medical. We're the largest non-for-profit air ambulance service in the world. Utah is our headquarters. We're in every state surrounding Utah, and we're in Puerto Rico, Alaska, and Haiti also. Tony Henderson, Chief Executive Officer. We have 25 locations around the West there, and we specifically use Bell 407s. It's always been great service from the start, so when you have 25 Bell 407s, it's sure nice to have all that support. Both pilots and maintenance guys go through the Bell training. They love it. I've been out to the facility. Phenomenal. The training there was awesome. I've been a Bell service center for almost 30 years, and so it was a great way to understand the Bell product, get Bell parts. It is nice. I've used other aircraft, I've used other products, and Bell is definitely more superior when it comes to parts availability. Our maintenance department loves the Bell 407s because they're easy to work on, fairly easy to fix too, and so they love them. It's all they work on, and so it makes it easy for them. Bell has two of my old employees working for them that were amazing maintenance guys, so I'm glad that they were able to do that because they love Bell working there. These are safe products. We have a really good track record, and I'd like to definitely put some of that towards Bell. We have a great safety record, and using these products has been great.